2 years ago, one of the biggest Flemish YouTubers reacted on my lightsaber story. Hey yo, that's insane man, it's fucking hard. And I said, one day, if I have enough money, I will make you one. That day has finally come. First, I designed a chassis where we can store in all the electronics. What the fuck? My cat just shat on my bed. I'm not even kidding. Little Marietje. She's just looking at me like, yeah, I did that. The print is done. I'm just gonna sand it down a little bit so it fits very smoothly into the hilt. It took a couple of tries though before my 7-year-old printer decided, yeah, I can do the job. I can use these parts to make mini skis for my cat so I can go skiing with my cat. Ah, fuck. Oh, wow. You know it's bad when it doesn't start bleeding. Oh, ooh, tight, but nice fit, nice fit. Don't shit on my bed anymore, thank you. For the brains of the lightsaber, we are using again a Profi board. In my first lightsaber video, I used the Profi board 2.2. This is Profi board 3.9. Smooth swing, NeoPixel support. It has like an audio amplifier built in. It's expensive, but it's the good shit. Then we have a little battery module. The Profi board already has it built in, but I don't trust that shit. So we add another Chinese board. For the audio, I found this little speaker. Oh yeah, ooh. This will be the battery. Face it, if your house burns down, I have nothing to do with it. And then of course the LED strip. First let's connect the battery with the module. Let's go Hast, okay. Haunted by your love. Okay, I think we have power. I don't wanna lie. Okay, for the Profi board, here we have 3 important parts. The first one is the code. This here is the main code we will install on the board. Acid, please notice me daddy. Ooh. This code will search for a config file, so that's this one. These are actually the settings that are used to display the effects, the colors and everything else. Like I said, every Jedi has his own sound font. Everything from the music, the sound clashes, the swings is placed on that SD card and the Profi board will search on there. The board is connected to my PC, so let's install everything. I did not eat for 2 weeks to buy this thing. I only bought one. Let's hope for the best. Oh, the smell of burnt plastic. I can't see shit. The camera is in my way. How the f can I solder this thing? I am the solder expert, yes. Fake it till you make it. Oh, papi. Oh, papi. Ik ben ook de uiteindes van ieder draadje aan het markeren. There was a small green light on the Profi board, but now the light is gone. There is only one way to test it. Let's connect the button. Let's connect the speaker. The speaker is connected. The moment of truth. If I push the button, there should be sound. Oh hell no, there is no sound. Oh no, no. Oh god. Maybe my board is really dead. Well, I'm going to the gym. Fuck this. Helemaal niks. Oké. Nu ga ik wel naar de gym. It was a fucking driver of the Chinese board. I think we have audio. I'll never join you. I love DIY. I just love. Okay, but we have audio. I think we have light. The button works. It's time to go to the gym. And after many tinkering, we finally had the lower part done. Let's go to the upper part. I designed some shenanigans to fit in the button and the charging port. The first version I wasn't very satisfied, so I made a new one.
Another one.
The next one I made a stupid mistake, the button couldn't fit anymore.
Another one.
And then finally the last one was boomkop, guys. Okay, now we can proceed to the soldering. The wires need to be soldered to the connector, but this was like a pain in the ass because it's magnetic. I found an old charging brick we can use to make a custom charger, and let's do a first test. Okay, there should be a light. Hell yeah. I've cut my LED strip to the perfect length. But now the big test. I've tested it only once if the lights work, but now everything of the buttons, the magnets, are connected. It's kind of retarded of me to do it this late in the project, but okay. To activate the lightsaber, you need to do this. Yep. Yes, host. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. We are gonna cut the same length and just put them on the backside of each other so they stick to each other. Bing bong beetle. Is that what you like? Is that what you like? Is that dress? It's too tight. Oh no. Oh wee. Ah. What the fuck is happening? It made a fucking weird noise. And it doesn't turn on anymore. You have lost. I'm just gonna proceed, I think. No idea, maybe it's a glitch in the code. In life you just need to ignore a problem, so that's what I did. I just proceeded with the project, yes. Why is there like a reflective tape on it though? Only the best for you, Mr. Acid. You know what's up. The lightsaber went dead. Oh, but this is really not good. One of the last things we need to do. Look at that. God damn. For you guys, it's just a lightsaber on the outside, but for me, I know the internals are like the best I could possibly do. I designed parts, I printed them, I redesigned them, I printed them. It was so much work. I thought it was gonna go more easy because I've already built 2 lightsabers, but it was again a little hassle. Oof, tight fit.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Oh, this was perfect. Yes. Oh shit. What the fuck is this? Hello? This was the same problem I had before, man.
I'm just gonna proceed, I think.
Oh no. Yeah. I think I found it. Version 39. I'm gonna put the SD card back into the slot. There's no errors, that's a good thing. I pressed it and there is nothing happening. Oh, you can't be shitting me, man. So I just called my friend Mr. Lightsaber in China, duh. Yo, yeah? Mr. Lightsaber, yes? So if I just transfer 50 euro, it has no errors. Okay. Okay, the lightsaber finally works. God damn it, okay. My SD card wasn't fast enough. But we want something more. So I was thinking, let's make his own custom Jedi sound font. Custom color, custom effect and custom sound source. I was thinking maybe for the starting sound we can use the intro of his videos.
Yo, YouTube, Ace hier.
I hope this works.
Yo, YouTube, Ace hier.
Okay. 5 hours in. I've changed the color a little bit. Maybe we just should make it pink. First test. Oh yeah. As a small Easter egg, I was thinking to put my voice under the sound effect of the lightsaber. Oh, this is gonna be so interesting.
Yo, YouTube, Ace hier.
It's like a very low. Whoa. And to add some humor, I added a last detail. The outro music he uses in every video. Let's go. And the audio is just unmatched. If you compare it with the Disney lightsaber, it's just insane. Oh, this looks amazing, Ast. Oh, I'm so glad I did this. And after months of tinkering, troubleshooting, watching anime, the lightsaber is finally done. Okay, Mr. Acid.
Hey!
One day I posted a story on Instagram where I showed a DIY lightsaber and you reacted, hey yo, goddamn, that's hard. You said. So I said, one day if I have time enough, money enough, I will make you one. Today is that one day.
Today is the day!
So this is my present to you as a sort of thank you to take matter into own hands.
Damn!
Like the Sanadia matter, you use your platform and not everyone has the balls to do that. You got hit by a lot of bullets, but I hope this way you can deflect the bullets and protect yourself. I know like 10 years ago when people said, why do you quit school and everything, but you're still going strong even after so many years. So I just wanted to say thank you for all these videos and I hope you enjoy the present.
Normaal.
Let's go.
I just survived the hands parties.
At the parties.
Hey, we go way back here.
Way
you
back.
people don't even know how way back we go. So I know it's a lightsaber. I commented on the videos, but I never checked them. I closed my eyes because I knew it's a present.
Okay.
So I know it's a lightsaber. I showed it to my girlfriend and my friends and I asked, are there special things? And they were like, yes.
It's the best one I've made yet.
As a kid, I never got to buy a lightsaber because one, I have no brothers and sisters, so I couldn't play with one. And I just didn't get one from my... Oh, fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and I'm... Hey!
I start direct, let's go.
It's my outro.
Let's go.
Hij is heavy. Wow. Nee, in Disneyland. A very firm grip, nice handle. Jesus Christ, Karel. Wow. Vanaf nu... Hey, doe maar intro and shit.
So I made your own custom sound font. So it's every Jedi has his own color sound.
Yeah.
But I made specifically a sound font, Acid sound font.
Fucking
with
hell,
the color, the music and the intro.
That's that fucking insane.
Yeah, I spent a lot of time.
Fuck! Dame! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh, you got it. Nice.
This is by far the coolest thing I ever got from somebody.
Dat is een clash on clash. Inderdaad, ja.
Yo, YouTube.
Hey, Spinkcast. Hell yeah. Ja.
Dit is jouw stem.
Ja, zit daaronder, maar moet goed luisteren. Zit nu massa.
Zot. Floraal, Karel, dit is uit. Craftsmanship, Karel. Christmas came early this year, boys.
I have a huge announcement. For over 2 years now, I had the idea to make a lightsaber kit. Finally, I made my own lightsaber kit. I am also not making a lot of profit on this because they f***ed me over at the customs. Yeah. With this kit, you receive everything from the 3D prints to the buttons to the hilt. Just everything. You don't really need advanced technical skills because if I can make it, everyone can make it. For the moment, the shipping is only to Belgium. Sorry guys, it's quite expensive, but trust me, it's the best lightsaber out there. Maar jeetje, calm jongen, calm. Plus, just the satisfaction to make it your own, that feeling is just unmatched. So, a lot of yappa yappa, but if you're interested, send me a DM on Instagram and I will give you more information. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed making the lightsaber, I enjoyed the whole process. Leave a like, leave a comment, and I see you next time. Hell yeah.